How you doing, everybody? This is a 2008 GMC Acadia. Problem we had is about a month ago, we were driving down the road and all of a sudden the lift gate just decided to open up and then shut. And it was like, okay, and then all of a sudden everything in the dash died. We also had been prior having issues with the AC draining out underneath here. It's that little AC drain. I don't know where it is right now. Sorry about the mess. But anyway, we couldn't figure out why we couldn't get it to start back up. It just kept bringing different ideas coming to electrical. Well, if you're having an issue with the AC draining onto your floor, as you can see, it's made some rust over there from the water building up. Don't stray away from checking these things. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but if you see right there, for our issue, this is all corrosion being just like that on the floor. So with the water seeping in over there from that stupid little drain, this killed our whole car and had us go through a battery. So if you have issues like on electrical, like it doesn't start, that could be one way to try. I don't know. Video probably sucks. Figured just some info.